procedure for replacing the renewable seal on the cargo valve. Before disconnecting the cargo valve, isolate the block from its local control to prevent accidental activation. Carefully remove the screw to avoid any damage to the components. Use a brass hammer to prevent dents while removing the seat retainer plate. Remove the damaged seat. Clean the surface. Connect the valve to a portable hydraulic pump to perform open and shut operations as required. Keep the valve open while installing the seat. Install the new seat. Align and secure the seat retainer. Then tighten all screws evenly and firmly. Close the valve to properly align the seat. Tighten the screws if the seat is properly aligned. Open the valve, then fully tighten the screws. Ensure the valve surface and retainer surface are at the same level. Disconnect the portable hydraulic pump. Fix the valve. Connect the hydraulic line block. Release isolation and bring the hydraulic line back into service. Thank you for watching.